Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. Open your X app. Then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Select Privacy and Safety. Now tap on Mute and Block. Then tap on the very first option, that is Blocked Accounts. Tap on the username of the person that you want to unblock. Then tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply tap on Unblock option. If you are sure, tap Unblock once again. And this is how you can unblock on Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too, so you will know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.